Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making quick and easy beef teriyaki, and I've been craving this a lot because I think it was like less than a month ago my mom brought some Filipino food home from this restaurant and they had beef teriyaki, and that's what she brought me, and it tasted really good. And of course I had it with some white rice, and so I've been craving it again, and there's not really anywhere nearby that I can think of that has it this good, and it would be nicer to kind of make it myself and see what it's like. So yeah, I have everything out here already. I have my meat in my bag. The meat I have in this bag is top sirloin, and this recipe that I use specifically says to use flank steak, but I didn't find any flank steak in the store, so I'm using top sirloin instead. So there it is in the bag, and I have my cornstarch here, and I'm putting it right into the Ziploc bag. That, and the cornstarch is pretty messy, so honestly maybe this will be better. Kind of mix it around like this, and people were saying that mixing the cornstarch like beforehand, because I think some people will just dump it all like kind of in the pan or whatever beforehand, it'll help soak up the sauce more. I'm trying to get this up here. Hard to mix it all together. So I have it all mixed together, and now I'm going to make my sauce over here. So for now I just set my meat off to the side in the bag, and now I'm going to work on my sauce. So first I'm going to add in my soy sauce. There's other like alternatives if you want it to be like gluten-free or whatever. My soy sauce, I have my water, cornstarch, my brown sugar, and then lastly my red pepper flakes. Now that I am done with my sauce, I'm ready to start cooking my meat, which is what I do first. And I'm going to use these tongs so I can help shake off some of the excess a little bit. After my meat is done cooking, I'm going to transfer it to this bowl over here. And here I added my green onion, my garlic, and my ginger. Now I'm going to add my sauce into here. Mix this all together and let it thicken up a little bit. Now that my sauce is thickened up a little bit, and I don't want it to burn because of the sugar, of course, I'm going to add my meat back in and mix it all together. Now I'm just sprinkling some extra green onion on top to make it look nice and pretty. And I'll serve some of it. I have my rice over on the plate. Probably should have brought my plate closer. See, it's very hot, so I have to be careful. Now it's time to taste it. I hope it isn't too hot. I'm just gonna taste it by itself first. I'm gonna get a little piece. So it tastes really good, and I didn't mention this before when I was like cooking and everything because I was doing everything pretty quickly, but I added a bit of some fish sauce. It was like a little less than a tablespoon, and then I added a little bit of soy sauce because I wanted to make sure there was enough sauce in all the meat, because I like when the teriyaki is like really nice and saucy. And so this tastes really good, and so adding that extra made it a little bit more salty. So if you don't want yours to be super salty, probably don't add the extra stuff, but it tastes really good that way. And yeah, I would definitely make this again. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.